Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nisfu Hafyuddin Alfarizi and I am a neuropsychology student. Today, I would like to share a personal experience related to the conflict between traditional values and modern individualism. In many Indonesian families, especially in my family, children are expected to prioritize their family before themselves. As the youngest child, I have always felt responsible for helping my parents whenever I could. Even though my older siblings already have their own lives, I still wanted to reduce my parents' financial burden. Because of that, I dedicated to work while studying at university. At first, I thought it would be manageable. However, after a few months, I realized that balancing work and university was much more difficult than I expected. There were times when I had to work overtime and I became exhausted before attending class or completing assessment. Sometimes I had to sacrifice my weekends because I needed to finish work responsibilities. From traditional participants, I believe dedication reflects the value of responsibility toward family. In my culture, helping parents is not only appreciated but also considered a moral obligation. Many people believe that family should always come before personal ambitions. However, from modern participants, some people might argue that I should focus entirely on my education first. They believe that university is an investment for the future, and dividing my attention between work and study could reduce in my academic performance and opportunities for personal growth. Personally, I experience both the advantage and disadvantage of my decision. On the positive side, I became financial more independent, learned to manage my time, and gained valuable work experience before graduation. I also felt proud that I could contribute, even in a small way, to my family's needs. On the other hand, there were many challenges. I often felt stressed because deadlines from work and university happened at the same time. My grades were not always as good as I wanted because I had less time to study. I also had fewer opportunities to participate in campus activities or spend time with friends. Looking back, I still agree with the decision I made. Although it was difficult, it taught me responsibility, disciplines, and resilience. At the same time, I learned that helping families solve to mean ignoring my own future. Finding a balance between family responsibilities and personal goals is very important. If I could give advice to someone a similar situation, I would say that supporting your family is meaningful, but you should also communicate openly with them and make sure that your education and personal development are not neglected. In conclusion, I believe that traditional values and modern ideals do not always have compete with each other. Instead, they can complete on another if we are able to make thoughtful decisions and maintain a healthy balance. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.